Hello, home buyers. Today we're going to talk about buying a home that you're currently renting and how to do that and what the pluses and minuses could be with regards to buying a home that you're already living in but don't own yet. There are actually more benefits than negatives in this situation. The first thing is you're really familiar with the house already. You would have already identified any potential issues that the house has. Just because you're there every day, you know if the sinks work and the electrical has issues and all those different things. The air conditioning works, so all of that. Another benefit of buying a house that you're renting is that you're familiar with the landlord. You know each other. You might be able to negotiate a better price. You don't have to move, which is a great thing. Being able to negotiate a better price is something that you can do because the seller may not need to actually list the property for sale on the multiple listing service. If the current owner is very familiar with what the current value is of the house, he might be able to give you a little bit of a discount because they're not paying real estate agent fees. Maybe you have entered into a rent-to-own agreement where some or all of the rent you've been paying over the last year or two can be used towards your down payment. These are all things that are extremely helpful for you. And also in that situation, your lender will work closely with you to make sure that you can get credit for those funds if you have a pre-written and signed agreement with the seller too. Now, if you are going to do this, I think it's still important that you hire a real estate attorney to make sure that whatever contract you have with the seller is there to protect you and not just the seller. So in a lot of areas of the United States, real estate agents are using their contract, and that's fine, but you're also not using attorneys in many instances, and a lot of buyers are not that comfortable in reading contracts, and they do need someone other than a real estate agent helping them through the contract process. So that said, the same thing is applicable when you're buying a home from your current landlord. You do need a real estate attorney, in my personal opinion, to help review the contract or even draw it up for you that the seller can in turn potentially sign, making sure that you're fully protected. Even though you're buying the house from the landlord and you already live there and you feel like you know what's happening with the house, you still want to get an in-home inspection because there could be some things that you're unaware of. There could be certain conditions that exist that just have not made themselves evident to you yet, that are serious and potentially costly, that a home inspection might find out and realize during that process. Also, if you're getting an FHA loan, an inspection is going to be absolutely required anyway. So if you would like to talk to someone about buying a home from your landlord, a house that you're currently renting, and want to figure out whether you can qualify to get approved for a mortgage that would cover the loan amount needed to purchase this home, then just visit dreamhomefinancing.com. We're going to link to the article about this topic down in the description and also the first pinned comment. Really do appreciate you watching today, and I hope you have a great day.